Hi guys, let's continue with again one of the most important feature or most important toolbar from the software. The name of the toolbar is reference element toolbar, which is actually used to create some references. Whenever we model something, what we need is some references. References like origin is one of the reference we have. These planes or the axis system, these are actually references for us, which we are using to create the sketches, which we are using to revolve the particular sketch we have created. So these are our references. We are using them for our work. Now we can even define some more references for our convenience other than these references, origin and axis system or the planes. The references are point, line and plane. First let's go for the point. I'll select the point. This point definition dialog box will appear in front of me. Now there are many ways to define the points. See, you can define the point using coordinates. Just give the coordinates value. This is your 0, 0, 0. You can define any value, say 120, 50, 30. Over there I want a point, so that point has been defined over here, this one. Point on a curve. If you have any curve available, on that you can define a point. Say I'll create a curve first. I'll go for a sketch just very quickly and I'll create one spline, say like this. Yeah, so on that spline I want to create or define a point. So I will go for point on curve. Which curve? Say this curve. Now on this curve, considering this one as 0 position, it will define the point. Where you want to define the point? Distance on the curve. You will define the distance value from this. At that particular distance, point will be defined. Distance along the direction, you want to give the distance along a particular direction, say along the y direction or along the z direction or along the x direction. You want to give the distance. Or a ratio of curve length, considering complete curve as 1, you will define the ratio. Say I want a point at 0.35 of the curve, then at 0.35 I will be getting the point, and simply say OK. You have the point on the curve, and you can use this point as a reference for your further work. Also remember, this particular point which I have defined as a reference element, this is my datum point. This is not part of any sketch. This is the part of your model, and that's why this is being generated over here in the geometrical set. There is a new set added by default. In that, both the points are added. This geometrical set actually consists of your references. Whatever of reference you want to create or you create, by default it goes into geometrical set. Other than references like your sketches, your features, they go into part body. So by default, when I created the points, one geometrical set will automatically be created, and in that those points will go. If you again want to modify anything, you can simply double click on that and you will be able to do that. Next case of point will be on plane. On a particular plane, say this one, YZ plane, I want to create a point. Now it is asking you horizontal and vertical distance from the origin on this YZ plane, somewhere here defined. Point on a surface. Currently we don't have any surface available, but yes, on a particular surface you can define the point. circle, sphere or ellipse center point. You just have to select the circle or ellipse. I'll create it. It will give you the center of that. We can use that center point as a reference. Say point type, I will select circle, sphere and ellipse, this one. So by directly it will give me the center point. This is the point. Now I can use this center point for my reference for any other work. Again, this particular point will also be part of your part 1, not any sketch. Tangent on curve. On this particular curve, I want the point to be tangent, say along this direction. That is not possible. I will select another direction, say this one. So you can see 1, 2, 3 points are defined. Again, when you have multiple results, this window will appear. How much you want to keep? I will say for now, I will say I want to keep all of them. So in the point 6, there are 3 points available. Sorry. Next, between, you want to define a point between 2 points. Say point 1 is this one, point 2 is this one. Between these 2 points, at somewhere, say in the middle, I want to define a point. So this particular point is that point. See, this one, between these two. Like this I can define the points, and I can use these points for my reference. I can use these points for my reference in the part. I can use the same in the sketches as well, no issue. Then we have lines. See, point to point line, say this point to this point, I'm getting a line. This line is again not of any sketch. This is a 3D line. You can see it is not created on any plane. See, this is not on any plane. This is a 3D curve. Over here line is added in the geometrical set. Next type can be point and direction. I want a line starting from, say, this point. Sorry, there are 3 points over there. I'll select this point in, say, x direction. So in the x direction of whatever the length I will define, it will create the line like this. This line is again not a part of any sketch. Line at an angle normal to the curve. Curve, say this one. So normal to this curve. Support plane, I'll select this one. At an angle, I'll define, say, this much, and end length of this. So line will be created. Again, you will have to define the parameters from which point you want to start it, like this. You can see. So normal to this curve at an angle, the line has been created on the plane, this one. So like this you can create the lines. Tangent to a particular curve, you can create. A normal to a surface, bisecting line you can create. And in the similar manner you can create the planes. You have 3 default planes available: xy plane, yz plane and zx plane. With that you can create planes as per your own convenience. How? See, first type is offset from plane. I want a plane parallel to this at certain distance. So I am getting a plane parallel to this yz plane at a distance of what I have defined. I can use this plane for creating the sketches and I can continue my work. Another case, parallel through points. You just have to select a reference. Say I want parallel to this reference, but location is somewhere here or here. I will be getting the point. Sorry, plane. Similarly, angle and normal to the plane. I'll just delete these things for now. Just for the explanation. Yeah, I'll delete that as well. I'll delete that as well. Okay. Yeah, plane, angle and normal to plane. Rotation axis, about which axis you want the planes to be rotated. Say I will rotate the planes about z axis, or sorry, I'll select the y axis. Reference, from where I will start calculating the angle, say this one. Now just give me the angle. You want to rotate it about y axis, and angle is being calculated from this xy plane. Say angle. See, this is how I can get the plane. Now this plane will by default not be available for me. So if I want these types of planes at a certain angle, then I can create in this manner. When we create the auxiliary views, or we create the profile at auxiliary location, then yes, we need these types of planes. So we will be using these planes in our assignments when I'll show you some demo, yes, at that time. And likewise we have many types available. If you want, you can use them, like a plane which is passing through 3 points. Definitely I will not be defining those 3 points on a single plane only. What I will be doing, I will be defining those 3 points at different locations. A point which is passing through 2 lines, a plane which is passing through point and a line. Likewise I can define normal to a curve. I have a curve, and normal to that curve I want the plane. So yes, I can define in that manner. This is what your reference elements are. What you have to do is, whenever you want to create any feature and you need any references, then first create these or use these reference element, create those references, use them, and continue your work. It will make your work easier.